Let me quickly show it to you how you can do the forgotten password of your phone. If you forgot the pattern of your phone, understand, as the ownership you forgot it. Maybe you like to change pattern every time, but at long run you forgot your password. So let me just show you how you can do the hard reset. You can do the hard reset really well. What you just need to do, switch off the phone, switch it off totally, switch off the phone totally. Please just switch it off totally and wait for some seconds for the phone to cool itself down. You wait for seconds for the phone to cool itself down. So now you press this power button and this volume down button, understand. So first of all, press this power button, then volume up, volume down button, 1 2. So once this logo appear, you remove your hand from the power button. So you can see once this appear, once these options appear, you scroll down to wipe data or factory reset. So just then you click on this command button, this power button. You send it like this. Then it's warning you whether wipe all your data. This cannot be undone. That's it. All your data, all your information, everything will be gone. Understand? Start what I mean there. So then you press yes. Once you press yes, you see what is happening here now. It's wiping now. You can see it's wiping. It has already wiped. So remember, all your information, everything, it will be gone, except if you do the backup on Google Photo or Google Drive. So then let me reboot the phone and see. So it's loading. Let's wait. So it's loading itself. So just take it. So you can see we have wiped all the data. We have did the factory reset. Everything has gone. You can see. So please, if you forgot your Gmail account on the phone, like P36, like this, if you forgot your Gmail on it, you can wash out on at 2 of this clip here. You can wash out on the part 2. In very few minutes, you can get all the you can get the phone back. Understand? You get all the phone back. That's it. So the normal desktop. So watch out for the part 2. Thanks.